Hello everyone, welcome to another video where I'll be giving my thoughts on Bitcoin, future game plans and trade ideas. Okay, I'm gonna stick to the low time frames on this one since I covered my high time frame in the live stream we did. So just low time frame thoughts, key areas of liquidity where I want to do business in the market. Okay, before we get into that, thanks to the sponsor of the live streams, which is Bybit. The link is in the description. You can use that link. If you do, you get up to $7,000 in bonuses. You get CMM, Coin Market Manager, that's the website where you connect your exchanges, and it gives you all kind of analytics about your trading and your equity curves and stuff like that, all for free if you simply use the link in the description. Okay, what else do you get? You get access to my Discord. Okay, I have a private Discord. Well, it's not paid. All I'm asking is to use one of my links. So go use that link in the description. If you did, make sure to send me a message on Discord or on Twitter, and then we'll sort things out. All right, leave a like on the video as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. That helps me a lot. Okay. So now, Bitcoin. So what I always do, right, is look for key highs and key lows to get swept before doing business. So what did we get earlier this week? I'm sure you saw on my Twitter that I was expecting a move like this, lower, and then a move higher towards some highs. All that is based on is pure liquidity games, okay? We had this key low here resting there. We ignored this wick because that one was way too low, so we said we don't expect this low to get ran, but we do expect this low to get ran, and if it does sweep that low, we will be interested in longs, because then the liquidity would be resting to the other side of this range, which was first the highs here, secondly the highs here, and thirdly the highs up here. Okay, so we got that sweep. I got long on the sweep. I initially got long here, but I added on this wick, and then beautiful buyback, beautiful retest of Monday low, and upside continuation towards the highs. I'm personally already fully out of longs. Okay, it was a very good play, happy with the profits, and not worth holding for me here. Now what are the next key areas of interest for me? Well, obviously the high we just made, gonna have a lot of liquidity, a lot of stops resting above it. And what we'll also have above here is this key high, okay, which is still unswept. Why is that high important? That's the first high made after this long wick down, okay, which also is on most exchanges similar. Okay, so the high will come in at 27K, and that will be the same on most exchanges. What does that mean? All the people who shorted into this, right, got their stops resting above there. If we take a look at the hourly again, so that key high, first scenario, if we go for the highs first, okay, I'll be looking for a sweep of that liquidity, and then if we see weakness, right, and break back below the highs, what would that mean? Highs swept, local lows right here unswept. So then I could see something like this, where we take the highs and then scam move all the way back down to take this liquidity. So beautiful scalp play there. If you see weakness, look for a short, tight stop above the wick, first target there, and then hold some, see if we sweep that low and hold, or if we just break lower and go for this low and potentially this low again. Okay, so that's if we go for the highs first. Now, if that doesn't happen and we start going lower from here, where's local liquidity resting to the downside? Well, on this low. So if we go down first, right, look for sweeps of that low into the Monday range, into all of this consolidation. So price traded there a lot. So it will most likely on the first tap act as support. So look for a sweep in there, a reclaim of Monday high, and then look for scalp longs targeting the opposite side of the liquidity, which is these highs. Okay, if we take a look at the local OTE from the last leg up, which is this one, right? So from the low to the high, as you can see, OTE resting there as well. So a sweep into OTE would definitely be a good long, in my opinion, if it holds, of course. Okay, stop loss probably safe below there, targets up there. Okay, I hope that's clear. Those are my game plans for the rest of the week. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.